guys, welcome back to my channel, Pilbara Prospecting Adventures. So today I'm going to be doing a tutorial on how to gold pan. So this gold pan right here is a Garrett Super Sluice. So the reason why I prefer this pan over any other pan is these nice deep riffles, so that when you're going hard out and you're wanting to move quite a lot of quantity of gold, you can smash all of this, smash all the dirt out, and you won't lose any of your gold because of them deep riffles. So this dirt is out of my backyard really. And I've added some gold to it to be able to simulate what it'd be like out on the gold fields when you're panning for gold. So let's get into it. So the first thing you want to do when you're gold panning is of course have your material, but when you want to start gold panning, what you want to do is you want to submerge all the material in water, and you want to start mixing that material around just to break up any clay particles and get all the gold to settle into the bottom of the pan. So when you're doing this, you want to do it really nice, make sure that everything's broken up. Right, so now what you want to do is you then want to start moving the pan around in a circle. And what this is going to do is it's going to bring all the heavy materials right to the center of the pan, and all the lighter materials will be floating around the outside. So let's do this. So a good indicator when you're gold panning, when you're doing this specific part, is that you'll start to see an accumulation of all the heavies in the middle of the pan. So once you got it to that point, then what you want to start doing, you want to start moving your pan from side to side while tipping the pan forwards. So we're going to do that right now. So start moving it side to side and start tilting it forwards. And what you'll see is you'll start seeing the material that is on top of this part here start going over the edge of the pan, and that's what you want to see. So just like that, off the top. Okay, stop there. Now what you want to do is you want to dip your pan into the water and slowly bring it up while still having a pan on the lean. So in, out, and then bring the water back into the pan and start making the swirl again. We just keep doing this process round and round in a circle. Start agitating it, shaking it side to side while tilting the pan forwards to there, and then wash the lighter material off. You don't want to do too much because you'll be blowing gold. If there's any gold at the back of the pan here, you'll start blowing it off the top and out of your pan. So back in, swirling it around, tilt it forwards, straight off the top. Back in the pan, swirling it around, moving all the material forwards and lightly off the top. Right, so now that there's that much left in the pan, I can now go down and only use one hand instead of two. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to swirl it around, move it forwards, tilt off the front. So I'm going to bring it all back into the middle of my pan, and now what I'm going to do is I'm going to remove those rocks. Make sure that you check them. Right, there we go. Make sure you got most of the rocks out. Swirl in your pan, bring everything to the front, off the front. Right, so as you can see, there's about half a cup of material left in the pan. That's where I like to leave it,
because sometimes I'm working with fine gold, sometimes I'm working with big gold. Big gold tends to stay in the pan a lot better when you get it down a bit further, but with the fine gold I like to keep it with about that much material. So I'm going to put it back into the pan and then we're going to do the reveal. Right, so now I'm going to start swirling the water around to take layers off the top of the material to reveal the gold. Nice and slowly, shake it back a little bit, and there we go. There's the beautiful gold.